again, outside of its name, CommandScope, what it is a common operating picture for pre-planning for an emergency, whether it's a fire, active shooter. It gets both our staff as well as our responder staff on the exact same page. That way, when they make their response here, they're looking at the most accurate, up-to-date information about our facility. So if they need to make entry at a certain location, they know where to do it. If there's a fire and we need to evacuate and we need to send people out of a certain door, they know exactly where to send them. They can know exactly where the smoke compartments, where the fire-rated walls are. If it's a 2-hour fire-rated wall, how long they can stay there and when they can move, because we don't want someone who's in the middle of surgery to have to stop and take someone outside and jeopardize their safety if it is not required. So, like I said, I'm glad we got it. I really think it's going to, boost our safety over the course of time and keep us with our partners, sharing information. And that's what it's all about in an emergency, is being able to share information.